Hi folks, this is a quick demo video on how to live stream from YouTube and then embed that live stream into a WordPress page. So to get started, I'm going to go to my channel. On my channel, I'll click on the create button here and then go live. And I'll verify that the camera image looks good and that it's using the correct microphone. And then I'm going to click allow this time. And then I'm just going to say that this is a test stream. Let's skip the description, but I could put that in if I wanted. I could put in a thumbnail that'll show up before they hit the play button. I'm going to say it's not necessarily made for kids. I'll click next. I'm going to turn off the live chat features. I don't need those right now. Next. And then I'm just going to make this an unlisted stream. Normally, though, if you wanted to stream to the public, you'd want to make it public, right? So I'll click done. Okay, now I'm ready to go. So to go live, I'm going to click on the go live button down here. And it says going live, and now it says that I'm live. So to share this out so that other people can watch it, I'm going to click on the share button down here. I'm going to copy the video link here. And then what I can do is I'm going to go over here to my WordPress site. I've logged into admin. I'm going to create a new page and I'm going to call it live. And then I'm going to add a YouTube embed type block. I just hit the / and it came up with a list of blocks and I went to YouTube. And I'll just paste in that link that I copied and tap embed. And then I'm going to tap publish. And now I can go to that page that's now live. I can hit the button. And there I am. Talking to myself. And that's it. Anybody that goes to this page can watch the stream. So if I go to visit site, I have a new link up here in the upper right hand corner of my website. And I can click live and click the button. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.